Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable President, today's righteous guest, and all my welcome listeners. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Don't you think today's Muslim has become a thorn in the eyes of the communities of the whole world, especially in India? Preparation is being done to make Muslims the second-grade citizen. Their Sharia is in danger. Their citizenship is in peril. Their veil and hijab is at threat. Their organizations are at risk. Their azan and namaz are in jeopardy. Their mosques are considered to be trapped. Their madrasas are assumed endangerment. Their awqafs, donated assets, are becoming susceptible. Dear audience, Muslims are being entangled in false cases. They are being harassed in trains and buses. They are being beaten and cut in bomb lynching, and even slogans are being chanted against them. Batenge to katenge. If divided, will be cut. Recent rulers emphasizing ek hai to safe hai. If united, then only are safe. At such strategic and dedicated circumstances, when we are deprived of leadership, when we are impoverished guardianship, and even when we are lacking the spirit of martyrdom, then the Quran is guiding. وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. At this time of deceitfulness and untrustworthiness, we are supposed to hold from the Quran and Sunnah. Otherwise, opponents are readily standing for your destruction in the name of Gharwapsi or Dharam Parivartan. That is, religion conversion. Either they are trying the cage of love jihad or trap of war jihad. Surely and certainly, we have provided them instances of attack on our beliefs and visions by avoiding religious educations and staying away from Quran and Sunnah. They are desirous to Muslims not to be Muslims. Practically, they are longing to indulge in Muslims. Practically, they are longing to indulge Muslims in acts of polytheist and apostate. They are aspiring to snatch the Quran. They are planning to rob the love for their prophet. That's why Mirza Qadiani has returned in the character of Shakil bin Hanif. The activities of Baha'i sect is at its peak. Thousands of Muslims lost their iman by entrapping among other false and fake religious organizations. So, O Muslims, be alarmed. Your mushaf for ideal life is leading. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ. Every individual of Muslim Ummah must know, if Islamic consciousness don't awaken in Islamic domain, if they don't realize their own recognition, if they understand everything to their bread and butter only, so listen, oh people, Allah don't need such people. If you are happy and heartening, if you are delighted in nice dressing, if you are jubilant in constructing luxurious houses, then be happy yourselves. But oh my dear friends, lend me your ears please. Khatm Nubuwwat, the matter of ending of prophet, is not mere an Islamic problem. Rather, it's a problem of your own identity and safety. If you want to live animal life, then let it be. But if you wish to enroll yourself in the list of slaves of beloved prophet, if you want to strengthen your relation with prophet, then you have to live your life with Sharia. You have to dwell with Islamic identity. You have to follow Akmal Deen. It's too much negligence and carelessness now. Whatever our deen is at threat, so we are responsible. It's due to our insensibility and oblivion. Some people among us claim that mere Kitabullah is sufficient for us. We don't need Sunnah. They themselves acknowledge to be Ahle Kitab, that is, beholder of the Quran. It's totally wrong concept. Keep in mind, responsible individual. You have adopted the path of shamelessness and impudence. You have promoted unneeded and superfluous rites and customs in wedding. You have refused and rejected the veil or hijab. You have broken your connection with mosque. Then only the enemies of the Prophet got the courage. Then only the blasphemous people dare to comment, rather taunt on our beloved Prophet. These offensive and insulting events of our Prophet, these attacks on our beliefs and visions are the only result of our lacking and our avoidance of Islamic teachings. Dear audience, come come forward against these false, astray and abandoned concepts by practicing sunnah in every walk of life. Come, surrender to the will of Allah. Come, we must pledge on this historic platform of Jami Abul Hasan Ali Nadwi that we and our coming generation will be proclaiming and summoning till our last breath, La Nabiyya Badi. My beloved Prophet himself announced, La Nabiyya Badi. Every era must listen the declaration of the torch bearer, La Nabiyya Badi. There will be neither any need for the Sharia, nor anyone will bring our beloved Prophet called up, La Nabiyya Badi. No one can acquire his level. No one can acquire his level, nor will come a prophet anymore. He sealed himself by saying, La Nabiyya Badi, La Nabiyya Badi. Let us strive to follow his guidance and uphold the values of Islam. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.